Dunskey Castle doesn't surrender its secrets easily. For 5 centuries, these ruins have clung to the edge of the world, a sentinel carved by salt and storm. But behind these broken walls lies a darker history, a time when Scotland's clans turned on each other like wolves. This lonely fortress was no sanctuary, but a stronghold drenched in old blood. It was the 16th century, an age of axes and fire. The lords of Dunskey raised their walls not for glory, but to survive the feuds that scarred this coast. No records remain of who died here, only the ground remembers. Even now, the wind carries echoes of steel on steel, of warnings shouted into the mist. Some say the sea took the castle's missing stones. Others whisper they were pulled down to bury something worse. Clan wars left their scars deeper than sword cuts. Loyalty shifted like the tide, and Dunskey's fate was written in betrayal. Look closely, there are stains no rain can wash away. Footsteps worn into the stairs by guards who never left their posts. Marks on the walls, not from time, but from blades. This place was just never home. It was a last stand. Whatever secrets these walls hold, they give nothing away. Dunskey endures, a riddle half buried in the earth, half lost to sea. And Dunskey's ghosts are old and hungry. They don't rattle chains, they watch and wait. Well, we don't love Scotland for the weather, do we? Orbital Flyers, get your t-shirt on my website.